BSc Nursing students of Amity College of Nursing, Amity University, Haryana presents a video to create awareness about gender-based violence among general public. The project members are Nandita Jana, Gyanchandra Thakur, Lakshmi Yadav, Vasundhara, Azharuddin, Naman and Kanishka Tyagi. The guides for the project are Professor Dr. Smriti Arora and Ms. Sharmila Falswal. Now, starting with the definition of gender based violence. What is gender based violence? Gender based violence is a violence that is directed at an individual based on his or her biological sex or gender identity. It includes physical, sexual, verbal, emotional, and psychological abuse, threats, coercion, and economic or educational deprivation, whether occurring in public or private life. What is the prevalence of gender based violence? While women and girls are the most at risk and the most affected by gender based violence, boys, men, and sexual and gender minorities also experience gender based violence. Violence against women is a globally pervasive. It exists in every country, culture, caste, education, ethnicity, and age. According to the World Health Organization, 35% of women worldwide have experienced either physical and or sexual violence. According to the United Nations Population Fund, 1 in 3 women have experienced physical or sexualized violence in their lifetime. This is a map showing prevalence of intimate partner violence by WHO region. That is 29.8% in the region of the Americas, 23.2% in high income regions, 36.6% in African region, 37% in Eastern Mediterranean region, 25.4% in European region, 37.7% in Southeast Asia region, and 24.6% in Western Pacific region. As you can all see, the numbers are very high. Now, the global prevalence. 1 in 3 women experience physical or sexual violence by a partner. 38% of all murders of women are committed by their intimate partners. Up to 45% of adolescent girls around the world report that their first sexual experience was forced. This data is according to the World Health Organization. Now, talking about the Indian prevalence. 30% of women in India in the age group of 15 to 49 years have experienced physical violence since the age of 15 years. 6% women in the same age group have experienced sexual violence at least once in their lifetime. 31% of married women have experienced physical, sexual, or emotional violence by their spouses. This data is according to the National Family Health Survey. It is estimated that 28.7% of women in India experience gender based violence in their lifetime. During the corona pandemic and last 12 months, 243 million women and girls globally aged 15 to 49 years have been subjected to physical or sexual violence perpetrated by an intimate partner. This data is according to FIGO Committee on Human Rights, Refugees and Violence Against Women. Now, what are the types of gender-based violence? The types of gender-based violence include rape, sexual assault, human trafficking, domestic violence by an intimate partner, physical assault such as hitting, slapping, burning, acid attack, forced or early marriages, genital circumcision, female infanticide, emotional abuse, and denial of resources. Causes of gender-based violence. Causes of gender-based violence are poverty, dowry, lack of education, cultural and social norms, alcoholism or drug abuse, questionable implementation of laws, lack of institutional grievance and complaints procedure. Examples of gender-based violence. Gender-based violence can happen in the private or public sphere, kitchens and bedrooms and streets, markets and boardrooms, or in the refugee camps. It can include street harassment, that is, groping, whistling, or unwanted attention in public spaces, and marital rape and intimate partner violence. Impact of gender based violence. Gender based violence can impact an individual's life adversely. It can impact the mental health of an individual by causing anxiety, depression, sleep disturbances, and even suicide. It can affect the sexual and reproductive health of an individual by causing HIV infections, genital injuries, unwanted pregnancy, abortion, low birth weight baby. It can lead to reduced productivity and even death. Now, these are the laws that are there to prevent gender based violence. The Immoral Traffic Prevention Act, 1956, Dowry Prohibition Act, 1961, Indecent Representation of Women Prevention Act, 1986, Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, 2005, the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act, 2006, Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, 2012, Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace, Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act, 2013, the Criminal Law Amendment Act, 2013. Now, talking about the ways by which we can end gender based violence, the ways include empowering girls and women, changing gender norms and social attitudes, raising awareness globally, educating boys and men, transforming judiciary systems, healthcare, and disability networks. These are the women helpline numbers. Women Helpline All India number 1091. Women Helpline Domestic Abuse number 181. Police 100. National Commission for Women 01126942369 and 269444754. Child Helpline number 1098. Gender based violence is a critical problem prevailing in our country and worldwide. There is a need to create awareness among people regarding gender based violence and how it can affect an individual's life. Gender based violence is not acceptable. Break the silence. No means no. These are the references for our research and for this video. We all thank you for watching this video.